main challenges of implementing SFTR are the data collection and the timeliness. The reporting relevant fields under SFTR, especially the collateral information, are highly fragmented or even missing. Additionally, a lot of market participants are acting in the securities financing area as broker, tri-party agent, CCPs. All of them have information, but none of them has all information. So bringing everything together, filling the data gaps and report in T+1 in time and quality, this will be the biggest challenge. What have we learned from EMIR and MiFIR? First, the regulator itself has learned a lot, especially from EMIR. SFTR has now implemented the mandatory ISO 20022 standard for receiving the reporting files, which will help to reduce the differences between the trade repositories. Additionally, the data values and data fields are much more harmonized and standardized as under EMIR and MiFIR. The industry itself has gained 5 years experience of transaction-based reporting. So EMIR was totally underestimated from a cost implementation and especially from a maintenance perspective. MiFIR was still underestimated, but a bit better. Now SFTR has a total awareness of the industry and most of the institutions have already started with the projects. The ESMA hierarchy scheme for generating the UTI helps generally, but it does not solve every aspect of the problem. Generating the UTI is one aspect, but what is much more complex than generating is exchanging the UTI between different counterparties. Once it is generated, it must also be importable to the source system of the other counterparty, and this point could lead to much more efforts than expected. The pre-matching under SFTR looks more like a dream of the regulator than reality. To have a fully compliant pre-matching with respect to all relevant data fields, it would require to perform a second pre-matching because the trade confirmation does not include every relevant data field. And even when a second pre-matching is performed and differences are detected, both counterparties need to have the time to correct the data in exactly the same way. And when we have a look into EMIR with the matching and pairing rates, we do not expect to get a better situation under SFTR. What can we expect in the future of transaction-based reporting? In the short term, we will have the Brexit, where it is unclear what and when it has to be done. We hope to see a clear picture during the summer. In the midterm, we will have the EMIR refit, where the EMIR regulation will be simplified and harmonized. In the long term, we strongly believe to see a harmonization between the regulations and adjustments within each regulation, but we are not expecting another big thing like MiFIR or SFTR.